I'm Brian Melrose.
Alexis Melrose, and our daughter Katie.
My favorite thing about working with JC was his honest feedback. He really respected our opinions, gave us feedback, never tried to just give us our first sell.
Working with JC was very easy. He made things very simple. He started out right away before our house even sold to asking us to write a letter, which he pointed out was one of the things that really made a difference since we were one of multiple offers put in on our home.
Working with JC was great. He was very consistent and about answering any questions that we might have. He always got back to us as quickly as possible, and he gave us really great feedback and provided us with a lot of options and a lot of different homes to look at so we can make the best decision possible.
We have recommended JC actually to one of our friends, and they're now proud homeowners in Santee as well. So we are looking forward to finding another friend to recommend to JC.